Hi everyone. Ever wonder how to heat your swimming pool? If you have plenty of sunshine, I can show you how to do this. I'm Jay. This is Jay's How-To channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to install a solar blanket on your swimming pool.
Well, not on the swimming pool, but on the spa. Okay, first we need to measure the pool to ensure we get the right size solar blanket. Let's begin with the circumference of your pool, or length and width of your pool. My spa has a 12-foot or 3.6 meter diameter. Now that we have our measurements, we can select the right size solar blanket. I have a link in the description for a solar blanket. You can purchase this from Amazon. If your pool has an irregular shape, choose the blanket that covers the largest dimensions of your pool, and then you can trim it to fit. Now, I've trimmed off a flat spot on my spa and trimmed the solar blanket to fit the spa. Smooth out the blanket so that it lays flat on the water. It's okay if it doesn't fit perfectly. The key is to cover as much surface area as possible. If your solar blanket's too large, use a pair of scissors to trim it to fit your pool. The bubbles should face down towards the water. This helps trap the heat and reduce evaporation. Now, let's talk about why a solar blanket is beneficial for your pool. One of the main advantages is that it heats your pool. The second advantage is that it helps stop the evaporation of chlorine. Chlorine is essential for keeping your pool water clean and safe, but it can evaporate quickly, especially on hot sunny days. When you cover a pool with a solar blanket, it acts as a barrier, significantly reducing the amount of water and chlorine that evaporates. This means you'll use less chlorine and maintain a more consistent level of sanitation in your pool. I'm actually heating the water in the spa, and it's flowing into our swimming pool with our cool little water feature. And that's it. Installing a solar blanket is a simple way to maintain your pool's temperature, reduce water and chlorine evaporation, and save on maintenance costs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to tips. Happy swimming!